Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to report your US Bank credit card as lost on the US Bank app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a US Bank credit card, but you might have misplaced it or lost it. How do you actually go ahead and report it as lost on the US Bank app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto the US Bank app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Manage Cards. Now, next, click on Credit Card that you want to go ahead and report as lost. Then from here, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Report Card Lost or Stolen. Now, once you've done so, just follow the on-screen prompts to report your card as lost or stolen or never received. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report your card as lost on the US Bank app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.